In this video, we're going to look at what DKIM selectors are, why they are crucial, and how we can fix this issue so your emails go to the right inboxes. Now, the problem with this, if you don't have a proper DKIM setup, then this can stop your emails going to its intended destination, which is people's inboxes. And here's an interesting one for you. Up to 21% of all legitimate emails don't land in the proper inboxes because of reasons relating to this. And the overall issue stemming from this is that your email can be classed as untrustworthy and it can be flagged, which means it can affect your overall reputation, which means in future scenarios, when you go to send emails during or part of email campaigns, well, they're not going to go to the inboxes because they're either going to bounce back or they're going to be flagged as spam. DKIM selectors help authenticate and make sure that your emails are trusted and safe. Now, here at Warmy, we offer a free email deliverability test that once you've done this test, you are able to see your results. And one of the things you're able to see in this test is your DKIM signatures. And if any of these aren't optimized, you're able to go ahead and change this. Also, you're able to download the results of your test via a PDF file. And with this again, you can act accordingly. Imagine DKIM selectors like this. They're basically a string of characters that tell the server receiving the email which key to use to authenticate the email so then it can safely pass by into that person's inbox. Now, these selectors are part of a DKIM signature in your email header, helping mail servers verify your email's authenticity. And without a valid DKIM selector, your email could be flagged as spam. Here is how you can find your DKIM selector in 3 simple steps. Step 1, check the email header of a sent email. Step 2, locate the selector using the S equals tag. Step 3, you can use a DNS lookup tool, something like MX Toolbox, or alternatively, you can use Warmy's free email deliverability test that verifies this setup for you. Now, if you don't want to manually inspect headers, you can go ahead to warmy.io and use our free email deliverability test. All you have to do to access this is go to our website, click on free tools, and press email deliverability test. Then all you have to do is go ahead, put in your domain and start the test. And then with step 3, Warmy will go ahead and check your DKIM, SPF, and DMARC configurations, and it will provide you with a full report, including any issues with your DKIM selectors. And the reason you want to go ahead and fix this and make sure this is optimized for you is because any DKIM selector that is not optimized will stop your emails going to people's inboxes, and instead they will be flagged. So if this is optimized, this means your email deliverability rate will be optimized, and you'll have better responses and more engagement from your customers when receiving emails into their inboxes. And for our customers using our service, they normally see up to a 35% increase in their overall email deliverability rate once their DKIM selectors are optimized. This means their customers are interacting with the emails more, they are responding to the emails more, and there is better overall engagement with their emails when it goes to their inboxes. So head over to warmy.io right now and use our free email deliverability test to make sure that your DKIM setup is correct and well optimized. And make sure to sign up for our 7-day free trial so you can see for yourself how good our services are and how well we can optimize your email deliverability, taking it from here to the next level.